Meaning of Forth Bridge.
Forth Bridge.
Forth Bridge.
Forth Bridge.
Forth Bridge. The Forth Bridge, also known as the Forth Rail Bridge, is a large cantilever railway bridge that spans the Firth of Forth in Scotland. It connects the towns of North Queensferry and South Queensferry, and serves as a major transportation route for trains entering and leaving Edinburgh. The bridge, which was completed in 1890, is over 2.5 kilometers long and is considered one of the most iconic engineering marvels of the Industrial Revolution. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2015 in recognition of its significance to global cultural heritage.